And here's another note. Since we're baking, we are going to be using oven mittens because I really want to get this very important message across. For those of you who have diabetes, it is very important that you use mittens or panhandlers whenever you are cooking, pulling things off a skillet, out of an oven, or off the stove top. These are very important, and I want to reiterate that because with diabetes, there's something called diabetic neuropathy. In diabetic neuropathy, you cannot feel the temperature of what you're handling. So, always be safe, be prepared, wear these, and I will see you shortly. Hi, welcome back and good morning to No Salt BP. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at nosaltbp.com. Today we'll be preparing a muffin breakfast. The breakfast will also contain chicken. So, let's get started, shall we? Okay, this is the chicken that we're preparing to place in our breakfast muffins. This chicken consists of rosemary, olive oil, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, and onion powder. It won't take very long to cook. This is a fast, high-protein breakfast. Fast in cooking, high protein, and nutrients. All the information will be placed in the description bar. This is what it looks like. And everything, as far as the chicken, is thoroughly cooked, so we will move to the next step. Okay, and so now we're going to start preparing the egg muffins for the muffin pan. And here, these are red sweet peppers. We're going to use some yellow sweet peppers, orange sweet peppers, of course some tomato, and some chives, fresh chives. And we're going to use egg substitute. And the rationale for this, with the egg substitute, it lasts longer and it's far lower in cholesterol. The nutritional information will be in the description bar. So we're going to pour that in. We're going to whisk it around. At the bottom was black pepper, garlic, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So it looks like this. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you may want to stop here. because now I'm going to place the chicken inside after I place this into the muffin pan. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is a wonderful way to prepare breakfast for those who do not eat meat and for those of us who do eat meat. That's done. Hold on. Because we just finished cooking our chicken, right? So we want to wear our mittens. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And of course, our chicken was seared with olive oil. So you can always place that on top. Remember, handles turn in for the kitties, children, because we don't want them to get burned. Last but not least, I'm going to use some Mexican style cheese blend, which was purchased from my Trader Joe's haul, to top it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is an alternative to using bacon. It's an alternative to frying. And there you have it. It's going in the oven at 350 degrees, and I will see you back at the conclusion. Okay, and this is fresh right out of the oven. It is my eggs with chicken, chives, tomatoes, yellow, red, sweet bell peppers, and we're going to let this cool off before I cut it because it's extremely hot, and I will see you shortly. Remember, wear your mittens. Also, the reason why egg substitute was used here is because if you suffer from a condition known as familial hypercholesterolemia or high cholesterol levels, you may want to use egg substitute or egg whites as far as your egg dishes go. And so I will see you in a moment. Come back to the conclusion for breakfast at No Salt BP. I have my red, yellow, and orange sweet bell peppers along with tomatoes and chives and chicken that was placed in the oven and baked at 350 degrees. Also, for my diabetics, I have a smoothie here which consists of blueberries and strawberries. So, we're going to do a final closing shot. Remember, we don't want to touch this. No, I'm not diabetic, but we don't want to touch items that are hot. Okay? And this is breakfast. It will power you through your day with enough energy, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, minus all of the cholesterol. I would like to thank you all so much for joining me in my kitchen this morning. I realize that you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at No Salt BP, we do it without the salt. We count carbohydrates, cholesterol, and we are also active in the community. So I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Power up. Goodbye.